Hello, Gabrielle. I am making this video just for you. Hello? Our harness? I don't know, and anyways, I'm making this video just for you. Why, you may ask? Well, because you are really short. I don't know, I couldn't think of anything else to say. But yes, it is true. I believe that this video will help you grow. So before you watch this video, I'd pause it right now. Wait, that wouldn't be before. But during this video, just pause it right now. Wait, actually not yet. You can't pause it yet. You have to hear what I have to say first. Pause it after I say that. Measure yourself right now, height-wise, right now, then pause it. Are you done? What were you doing? Oh yeah, and then are you done measuring yourself? Yeah, are you done? As you should be. Why are you barking? Okay, now finish the rest of this video. Okay. Now, measure your height just once more. Did you get any taller? Now that you measured yourself again, and that you probably, hopefully, but probably didn't, get taller, call me on my handy dandy cell phone. Hi, yeah, Gabrielle? Oh, you got tall. My video worked? That is so cool. I knew it. That's how it should go. Okay, bye-bye.